今天晚上我想约一个女生吃饭，你推荐什么样的餐厅呢？
我知道一间又便宜又好吃的日式餐厅，你可以参考一下。
看起来很棒。那你今天晚上能不能跟我一起吃饭呢？
你不是要约一个女生吃饭吗？
是呀，你就是那个女生。
Hi, I'm Jane.
I'm Angel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Oh, in the story, the girl say, 又便宜又好吃. So what does yo mean?
Yo, check it out! If you want to describe a thing with two or multiple adjectives, then you can use yo this grammar. Like, you put the subject in the front and then yo, adjective, yo and another adjective. It means both da 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 and da da da.
For example,
Sentence 1.
the watermelon
西瓜
is big
又大
and round.
又圆，西瓜又大又圆。Sentence 2.
A brother
哥哥
is tall
又高
and strong.
又壮，哥哥又高又壮。Sentence 3.
She 她 is cute
又可爱
and pretty.
又漂亮，她又可爱又漂亮。
Now it's your turn to make sentence with yo.
For example, like, the house is big and cheap. How will you say it in Mandarin?
Welcome to tell us in the comments.
Thanks so much for watching our video, and we'll see you again next Thursday. Bye!
Bye!
There are some tips for you to become a confident Mandarin speaker. Feel free to get it through the link in the description. You'll learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more free lessons. Bye!